which is the exclusive from the sub box and the little portions. So I am going to submerging my bristles in the monomers and then pick up, see what's up with this one. So beautiful already. Pick up a good beads, like about medium or smaller beads. This has so much cute glitters. I can see that, so many. And then cuties like unicorn right there. She's all hidden. I could let her like randomly spinning anywhere, but she's so cute right there. It's so easy, especially for beginners. Start working with your liquid and powder. I think this is the pink one. She's maybe had two of this in there. Twin, I guess. I can't get her. You can see one right here. Where's the other one? Maybe I took her up though. I think I saw one right there. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna get her using this.
There you go.
Sometimes is the crystal pickers come handy. She like, what are you talking about? You get rid of me, now you wanna rescue me? Yeah, you're gonna get back into these nails. This is Jessica and this is Sophia. This is back in here. Oh, I like them. So I am go ahead and pick the smaller beads. I'm gonna do smaller beads with this because they have so much of a cuties, glitters and elements, and then I want smaller one first. So I can still see the super cute unicorn. That's it. And pick the smaller beads of the love potion again. Place it close to the cuticles, just a hair away from the cuticle, and tuck it in. Just feel like so smooth. And using the belly of the bristles and blend it. So gorgeous. And now, happy with this, you can add more if you want to. If you are happy, we are going to pick up the crystal clear, and I am gonna using crystal clear to cap where is the ombre is. And cap it completely. Clean the bristle really clean. Pick and submerge back into the monomer and pick up crystal clear. And then we are going to blend it, cap completely. What I say your name? Jessica and Sophia?
I think so.
They're on the way to like Easter eggs hunt.
You know, maybe they're just chilling.
The children? Or maybe they go to the beach.
Yeah. And there we are. It's a glittering beach. Very, very shiny. They are they right on the water. That's why it's so shiny. And you have the beach like the sandy one, right at top with pink sand.
The reflection. This is so beautiful. Like, remember that we're always doing it like solids one, and this is so freaking beautiful. This one is ombre. Let me see if I can get. Oh, here, this one. It by itself.
Yeah, super bright.
They have
and then
span
you
of
also
friends.
have a matte top right there.
This is like all different. She got a lot of group friends. Okay, so let this one set.